Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a box opening. This is a mystery box. I don't know what's inside it, so let's get into it.
कुछ नहीं मेरे अपने बच्चे तो हो नहीं सकते क्यों ना मैं तुम्हें अपना बच्चा राइट
So this is the box and this is a gift receipt.
अच्छा सुनो आज रात सैनिक होटल की ओपनिंग है व्हाट योर
नहीं यार
माया अभी मुझे हर जगह अकेले भेज
Okay, let's open this.
ये नाइट सुबह 5
तो फिर किस दुनिया के साथ
तुमने किस दुनिया
सेटअप के लिए
कभी सोचा आखिर बार मैं क्या जो मैं चाहती हूँ
तो बस समझना
So this is a yo-yo with a concave bearing. This instruction manual. Strings 1 red, 2 pink, 3 green, 4 purple, 5 white. This is the glove. Let's see if it fits me. Yeah. And then there's this patch.
What are those?
Strings. So let's sum up. This is where the yo-yo comes. This is the box, instruction manual, and in this box you get this pouch, glove, 5 strings, also the instruction manual. Now let's set up the yo-yo. This comes with a knot already tied, so let's just set up the yo-yo. Well, this yo-yo has a concave bearing, butterfly shape, and silk magic yo-yo pads. Also, this yo-yo is unresponsive.
Get ready! Our first team today are the 7-time winners from Westside High, the Rock Tigers! Coached by George!
Good.
The match is about to begin!
Okay, let's give it a throw. So I've adjusted this to my size and to my height, sorry. And now we can give it a throw. So let's see how this works. Okay. 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 The bearing is really slippery. Let me show you the inside. So it comes with this. It's attached to this, so you can't take this out. And then there's this concave bearing. Let me show you the bearings. I don't know if you can see this. I can't open it right now. Let me try and, yeah, I can't open it. I need a tool, but I don't have it for now. Let me try to focus. Focus. Yeah, this. It's not focusing, but it's sort of like this, the shape. It's sort of down in the middle. So let's get it inside again. And let's put this together. It is pretty good for finger spins too. The finishing is really smooth, so while it's spinning you can finger spin or thumb grind. So let's see, let's do some tricks. First, the easy one. Okay, the rocker baby, and then the trapeze. Let's see, what can I do more? See if I can thumb grind. No, you can't do the genie here, so that's sad. Let's see. Oh, let's try a reverse trapeze. I'm not good at it so much, but let's try it. Okay, trapeze, reverse trapeze. Okay,